guys, welcome to my channel, Muhammed Adil A7. I'm going to show you how to turn your Android phone into iPhone. Let's go.
Okay, we can open Play Store and type for iPhone, not iPhone, Android into iPhone. See, first one we need to download that. It's iPhone X launcher and with control center, the control panel. We'll get that. And next one is go down. See, assistive touch for Android. It's like iPhone only. Yeah. Next is full screen caller ID. We can also download that one. Anyone call me or I'm calling, then it will like a iPhone term. Okay, this one should be go back. The first one I have been downloaded, iPhone X launcher. You can click that and click the start button, get start, then so many other wallpaper. I'm taking first wallpaper. We will click the get started, then it will be like this. See, see my phone X, see the screen, like iPhone X. Yeah, I'm see now. Okay, one more time I'm doing. Sometimes it will show ads. You go back and get started like this. We can also you can see control panel here. It will work not for a just show. See, everything is working. The see. Okay, assistive to touch. We can they'll show like this, and I have been enabled that button. See, it's short like this. Now it's for caller ID. Okay, they will ask for notification, then we need to click full caller ID, tick the button and go back. Now you can apply iPhone X launcher here, then it will be like a original iPhone. See, like assistive touch are there. See, yeah, everything is there. Now it's
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, comment, and like. Bye bye.